guys, welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're about to go for a test drive in a 1967 Chevelle. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. Yes, we can ship these cars all over the nation. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. You check out all of our inventory on that website as well, guys. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Interior's very nice. Everything's been replaced on the inside. Looks like new seats, headliner, dash pad. Everything's just nice and slick. I like the console. Gauges under the dash. Let's go ahead and look and see what works electronically. Starts up nice and easy. There's no needle. The needle is broke off on the dash. It's showing 53,000 miles. Can't stand behind the actual mileage. Gas gauge should be working right there at quarter tank. Engine temp is up, oil pressure is up, voltmeter is not working. I couldn't get any of the air stuff to cut on, so that's not working. The radio is not cutting on either. It may just not have a power to it. Horn? No horn on this one. All right, guys. Wipers? Gonna need wipers. Let's take off. All right, we're gonna take off down the road. Anything that I see that you may need to know about, I will let you know. The clutch is letting out about halfway. Tach in the floor is not working. Car's going straight down the road. Steering's pretty tight. Woo! People pulling out everywhere. Signal is not blinking on the dash here. It is on the left side. I think the bulb's out on the right side. Checking our brakes before we get too close. We're gonna pull in here and get a little bit of gas in this car because the gas gauge is fluctuating around. Throw about $20 worth of fuel in this car and we'll keep rolling. Up here at the gas station, like I said, I'm gonna throw about $20 of premium fuel in this car. That way we can check the gauge out, make sure it's working correctly. You put gas right in the back of this car here. Looks like a fairly new tank and cap. All right, let's check this gauge. Just got in the car here, turn the gas, and the gas gauge works. Let's keep rolling. All right, got y'all up in the driver's seat. We're gonna take off here. You can see the engine temps right above 190, around 200. We've been cruising through this parking lot, getting all the outside shots. So it's doing really good about staying cool. The emergency brake does work. Got to pull up with it. The last part for the spring return's not working right, I guess. Car's got good power, good pull. And the engine temps already came down to 190 just since we pulled out. A little bit squeaky on the brakes. This street right here has a pretty significant speed bump in it. You can listen for rattles, squeaks. Kind of gives you an idea on suspension on this old car. It's right here. Nice and smooth, no rattles. And if you've noticed any of my other videos, sometimes that speed bump will throw me up into the ceiling. Engine temp still at 190. All right, we're gonna pull back into the car lot here. See if I can fit. Woo! We got a tight fit today. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day, or at least I try to. You can check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Ship these cars all over the nation. The website's maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures on each car. Plus, all of our inventory is updated every Monday.